Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to run WordPress on your computer as locally and how to install WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. Then the first time that you have to do is type the download WordPress and download the WordPress file. Because I have downloaded, then we just skip this. Okay, then there you go, WordPress file. Extract this zip. Then we have to move this WordPress folder on XMPP folder. Okay, there you go. Then we have to type localhost and WordPress. There you go. We have to choose our language, our main language. Then I will choose English. Okay, just click let's go and database name. This is for our data store, and we have to make our database first on PHP my admin. Okay, if you type in this form is WordPress, then you have to make WordPress on the WordPress database on this PHP my admin. Okay, let's type WordPress, then create. Okay, then this is the username for your database, I mean your PHP my admin. Okay, because my database username is root and I don't use any password. Then database host is localhost because we run this as locally. Okay, run the installation. And the first time is we must type our site title first. Then okay, I type is Lovia. My username is Lovia and password is, okay, just type your password. Okay, oops, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, and this is our email. Okay, then click the install WordPress button. There you go. Click the login and put our username or our email address that I have registered. Then type the password. There you go. This is our website. If you're curious how our website looks, then click the visit site. There it is, our website. And now I will teach you how to make our website be a online shop, online store. Then we have to add a new plugin, and we have to install WooCommerce plugin. Because we run this as locally, we can install the plugin by type WooCommerce. Okay, I repeat. If you run your WordPress on your computer as local, then you want to install WooCommerce plugin, you have to download the WooCommerce plugin first. Not by this button, but type on your browser is WooCommerce plugin. There you go. Then you have to click on this WooCommerce, and please check the address link is WordPress plugins. Okay, then you have to click this download button. Because I have downloaded this plugin, we're gonna skip this. Okay, then click the upload plugin and select your plugin file. There it is, WooCommerce plugin. Then click the install now. This is maybe take a little time. Okay, the plugin has been installed. Then we have to activate this plugin. There you go. And then click the yes please. Okay, we're gonna type our store details. Then this first is our address of store, and I'm gonna type this, just a dummy data. Okay, this not the real data. Okay, I'm gonna type New York. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and paste this. Then there you go. Then click the continue. Okay, and now we have to choose our industry does. Okay, I will make our store that sell fashion things and home furniture and garden. Then click the continue, and now we will choose our type of product. If your site is that you sell software products, that you have to choose downloads. Why? Because this is virtual products, not the physical product. Then because we will sell our product, I mean we will send our product to the customer, that we have to choose the physical products. Okay, then click continue, and choose how many products do we plan to display. Then I'm gonna choose 101 until 1000, and currently selling elsewhere is physical store, and current annual revenue maybe this one. Okay, then click the continue button. Okay, because we run our website as locally, we can choose our theme as we want. Okay, let's see, maybe this one. Let's see, live demo. Oh, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna pick this one. There you go. Then you don't have to install Jetpack WooCommerce service. Then I'm not gonna install this plugin. We're gonna skip this. There you go. We can change the view, I mean the display, by add a product. Okay, let's type a special bag. There you go. Then this is for the description. This is a special bag. There you go. Then the price is $100. And if you have a discount on your product, you can type on this form. Okay, from $100 you got a discount, then you have just buy $80. This is our short description. Then we just type a special bag. There you go. Then we can select our category. Our category is a bag, and I think that's it. And product text is special and bag. There you go. Then we have to set our product image. Okay. I don't have a back photo, then we just gonna use this, I think. There you go. Okay, then you can upload your product gallery image. Okay, I'm gonna select WhatsApp icon. There you go. Okay, if you're done with this form, you can just publish. Oh yeah, you can before you publish, you can preview your website. There you go. It's gonna be like this. The gallery over here. Go. This is our product, $100, and we have to buy $80. You can just add more back. Then there is the category and text. This is the description. That's it. Okay, we are gonna just publish. There you go. Let's see our website. There it is, our products. That's cool, right? Then you can customize your website by this button. You have to go to dashboard and customize your site. Okay, you can choose your color, website color, and identity for this. I'm gonna set to Lovia, and tagline is online store. There you go. Then we're gonna upload our icon. Okay, there it is. Okay, then I think, oh yes, WooCommerce. you can custom WooCommerce display, store notice. This is for this pop-up. I think we don't need this. Then we can choose our what we gonna display. Of course, we will display our products. Then we can choose how many products on a row, per row, and how many rows per page. I think this is enough for this video. I hope you can make your WooCommerce website. If you don't understand what word I say, then please comment down below. And that's it. See you guys in the next video.